Hi friends, welcome to SR Physics Academy. Today we are going to discuss about difference between electric field and magnetic field. The electric field means a space or region around a charged particle. Let us look at this picture. If we consider the spider as a charge, then the web around it will be its electric field. So this spider, we can see that it is a charge. Next, then the web around it, okay, the web around the spider, that we can say that electric field. That means a space or region around a charged particle is called electric field. So now, the electrostatic force acts between two charged bodies even without any contact between them. The nature of this action at a distance force can be understood by introducing the concept of electric field. So we know that it is the electrostatic force. There we are taking the two charged bodies even without any direct contact. So we will get some electrostatic force. Same here. The electric field is a physical field that surrounds electrically charged particles and exerts force on all other charges in the field, either attracting or repelling them. So in this case, see here, I have taken here one is positive charge, one is negative charge. So in this case, what happened here? The space around the charge particle. Suppose I am taking here positive charge. So here what happened? The space around a positive charge also here. Here around here also the electric field is there. Okay. So in this case, both charges are different charges. That means it will be attract. So these are the field lines. Okay. Same case, either attracting or repelling them, okay, the charge particle. So in this case what happened, that these charge particles are attracting, but in this case this is positive, this is also positive, or if we are taking this is negative, this is minus q2, and next negative charge. In this case what happened, both are different charge, that means it will be, sorry, both are same charge, that means it will be repel. Okay, but same case what here also it is as around a field. Okay, that means that is some charge particles also here, but this also own that space around a charge particle, but both are repelling here. So electric field is defined as electric force per unit charge. So in this case, electric field symbol we can say that E, and electric force, that means F, per what is the charge symbol here? Q. So we know that E is the electric field, F is the force, Q is the charge. That means what is electric field definition in physics? Electric field is defined as the particular electric force per unit charge. Now let's learn electric field intensity. Every charge creates an electric field in the space around itself. That's we know that. Okay. So in this case, next one, that direction of the electric field is taken to be the direction of the force. What is the meaning here? Direction of the, for example, here I am taking positive charge. This is what we call test charge. In this we know that test charge cannot produce an electric field. Okay. So now we have to check whether which charges. So that is here I am taking some source charge is positive. When in this case two charges are same, what will happen? It will repel, is it? So here the direct, then we have to, what is that? The here the direction of the field, the electric field. Okay, it will be repel means here the force charge will go like this direction. That means the direction of the field is taken to be the direction of the force. That means here, what is the force here? This direction. That means the electric field intensity also same. Clear? So you have to remember that first one, the direction of the electric field is taken to be the direction of the force. Even same, the electric field intensity has the same direction of electric force. Suppose here, we know that test charge is here, that means I mentioned here Q naught, and my test charge is suppose negative charge, that means source charge is negative. What will happen? One is positive, one is negative, that means it will be two charges, it will be try to attract, okay, with a small distance. So in this case, what is the direction of the force here? Towards this direction, is it? That means this is not away from, it is towards the direction, okay, towards the charge. So in this case, so our direction of the force is this direction, means what about the electric field intensity? Same, okay, same, the direction of the force. That means this is, we can mention E. So clear now? Okay. In this case, if we are taking two charges, that means test charge is there. If we are taking positive, that means we know that positive charge is there. That means it will be ripple. So ripple means it is this charge away from the source. In this case, the electric field and direction of the force both are same only. In same here, if the test charge, we have taken negative charge and negative charge. In this case, what happen? It will be the charge, and these two charges, it will be attract together. So between the small distance, this also same case, the force direction and electric field direction both are same only. That means towards, not away. Now, so just now we learn about, that means here if we are taking the two charges, here also positive and negative. So in this case what will happen? The same direction of the force only it is happen. Okay. So here for the positive charge, that's very important. Look at these two images, what will happen? One is plus Q, we know that one is minus Q. Now what about this say arrow mark? That is, one is like arrow, okay, like this. Another one, this come near to Q, okay. So that means for positive charge, the direction of E. So now we are going to discussing about the direction of, what about the electric field? The direction of E is away from the charge. So that means it is going away. That means this is a symbol meaning it is away from this charge. That means positive charge. Same case, for a negative charge, what will happen? The direction of E, the arrow, it is what? Towards the charge. Clear? Is all the point, it will be towards the charge, and this one is away from the charge. So now we learn two main points. Positive charge, the direction of the E away from the charge. For negative, the direction of the E towards the charge. Now we will discuss about what is magnetic field. Just now we learned what is electric field and electric field intensity. Now what is magnetic field? So we know that, is it? What is magnetic field? Same, space around a magnet within which influence can be experienced is called magnetic field. That means we already experienced, if we are taking the one magnet with the iron powder, even when lab also we tried this one, what will happen? That is the number of lines are visible. So only the magnetic field only we can physically can able to see actually, but compared to electric field. So in this case, so now it's clear what is magnetic field. Even the magnetic field, the symbol we used B. Electric field, what we use? E. Now, what are the properties of magnetic field? Lines. Magnetic field lines, okay, first one, never cross each other. Okay, it is not crossing. Suppose we are taking this diagram, this one, this line, what will happen? It is not merged to here. Okay, that's the first point, first property, never cross each other. Next, second, magnetic field lines always make closed loops. What is the meaning of here closed loops? For example, this arrow, okay, this is for this one, this, okay, from north to south. Even I have to say that magnetic field lines always emerge or start from north pole and terminate at the south pole. That means here always it start from north. Okay. North pole. When it will be that terminal here will be joined, it is a south pole. Okay, it's clear now. Now it is, what is the second point here? Magnetic field lines always make closed loop. What is the meaning of closed loop? So here also we learned from what is this line, it is starting from this arrow. This arrow is north to south, is it? The north to south. So here, so this is usually if we see that it is closed loop means north to south. Again what happen? It will be south, it will be closed loop. That means it will be go inside to the line, then it will be join this line. Again the second line, it will be joined to till this end. Okay. Same also it will come north to south pole. After that this line again it will to join where towards the north. Okay, like that. It's clear now. Next is the density of the field line indicate the strength of the field. What is the meaning of the strength of the field? If we are getting the more number of the field means, that means here that magnetic the field line, that means it is a strength of the magnet, a strength of the magnetic field. For example, here you have seen we are getting lot of, means huge of what is the now lines are there. Okay, that means it is a more magnetic, more strong magnet. Now, what is magnetic field intensity? So, magnetic field strength is also magnetic field intensity or magnetic intensity. We can say that the here magnetic intensity, we can say that the number of magnetic lines of force passing normally per unit area. The number of, what are the number of magnetic lines of force passing where per unit area. So here the ratio of the strength of the magnetizing field to the permeability of free space is called magnetic intensity. Even we denoted by the letter H. So magnetic field intensity is measured the unit of ampere and meter. Even we can say that H equal to B naught by mu naught. Clear? Now, just we recall once what is electric field and magnetic field. First is electric field act at a distance through electric field. Same magnetic force act at a distance through magnetic field only. So, this is we are getting the electric field. From where? Electric force. There magnetic force. Next one, what is the source charge here? That means electric charge only. Here we know that source means either we have to take moving electric charges. That E letter here, B letter. Opposite charges are here, what happen? Attract. Here also almost same, opposite poles are attract only. Now like charges are repel, like poles are repel. Positive and negative charge means mentioned here. Here magnet already we know that north and south pole. Field lines show the direction and magnitude, that means E. Field lines show the direction and magnitude of B letters. Hope you understood everything. Thanks for watching.